Now give me love. Now give me love.
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty
What's up, guys?
here at Wrapsesh in Phoenix, Arizona. This week we are showcasing a custom race car wrap.
Race car.
Race car thinks it's tough. A really awesome Civic race car that we did for Sally from Team Sally Racing. She's a female race car driver. You guys will get to meet her today. It's going to be really awesome. So we designed a super awesome race car design for her, full wrap, and we printed on our Muto 1682 SR dual head eco-solvent printer. And then we laminated with gloss finish using the Avery MPI 1105 EZRS film. And yeah, it was super fun, so dive in and check it out. guys, so we are at the final night of pickup. This is your first time sitting in the car.
I'm super pumped. Oh my gosh.
We're just throwing the last little decals on it. Is it everything you imagined?
Absolutely, and more. Like,
That's
literally
awesome.
love it.
So I want to introduce you guys to Sally Mcnulty. She's a female race car driver, and tell us what series that you race in.
So for 2021, we're gonna be racing with SRO Motorsports in TC America. I race in the TCA class, which is right here with my Honda Civic. This is a factory-built race car by Honda Performance Development. It is a Civic SI. It has several homologated parts. It's like a spec series. You can only run certain parts on the car so everybody has an even playing field in the race. I race against other Hondas, I race against Mini Coopers, Miatas, and some Hyundais. So it's a really, really competitive race. It's actually televised nationally, and you can watch it live on YouTube. There's not a lot of females out there, so we're gonna be out there making some waves, hopefully, and leading the herd, thanks to Borla.
Definitely, very fitting. So what's like you have any upcoming races over the next few months, or any of them local here, or do you like hop around state to state?
We do everything like across the United States. So our first race is in the first weekend of March, and it's at Sonoma, so that's actually pretty close to us. I've been there a couple times, so I'm pretty pumped. And we actually go all over the United States. We'll be going to Texas, we'll be going to Wisconsin, New York, all over the place. We got like 6 or 7 races, so it's gonna be pretty exciting.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So with your racing, is it like every race you go to, you get a certain amount of points and it's tallied up over time? Or is it like per event?
Yes, you're awesome.
I feel uneducated.
Look at that. So it's a championship. So you're gaining points. If you place 10th or higher, you gain points, first most amount of points, and it's a championship race. So you're trying to get the most points and see who will win at the end of the season.
Over the entire season.
Yeah.
So like Mario Kart, but vastly different.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly right.
All right, so I know you have a crazy, crazy huge following online, and you do a YouTube channel and stuff as well, right?
I have a YouTube channel. I've not been as good out of it, but you can follow me on Instagram.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. Oh my
doing
gosh.
like a weekly video, I'll tell you
Yeah,
what.
I work 12 hours a day, so going
You
home.
don't have time for that.
I gotta go home and edit videos or what?
It's work, I feel you.
But most of the stuff I do on Instagram, and you can follow me at Team Sally Racing. And I have a couple cars. This is not my only car. This is the car that we campaign and race, but we also have a Honda Civic 2000 EK hatch, and I have an S14 Drift car too.
Dope. And what I really love like about your page is that you're always like, it's always you working on things.
Oh,
it's not just
yes.
like, you know what I mean? Like you don't just like hop in the car and like race, and you don't just like stand there and pose with the car. Like I always see you actually doing things, and like to me that's like so important as a female in a car industry that's male dominated.
I kind of feel bad because I work at a dealership and I'm a service advisor, and I work at an Audi dealership, which is a Highline brand, but I can't tell you how many times I've gone to work with dirty fingernails.
Oh, dude. Mine got like boy hands. It's gross. I wouldn't even wear nail polish because it's like, it just looks unnatural.
Yeah, like, oh, I'm like, I'm so
like that in the video. No, that's super awesome. So make sure you guys check her out again. Name your Instagram one more time for us.
At Team Sally Racing.
Team Sally Racing, and your next race is March.
March, first weekend of March at Sonoma. If you go to online, you can go to GT World Challenge, or you can go to I think it's TC America. I think it's just TC America. On Instagram, you can see all the cars. You can watch online. It has links, everything. Super cool, and you can see other Hondas if you're a Honda guy.
Awesome. Make sure you guys check it out.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the Team Sally Racing Honda Civic race car wrap. If you guys want to get an awesome wrap done by Wrapsesh, reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. You can keep up with our daily fun on Facebook and Instagram at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and WrapseshAZ. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. See you next week.